level up your Instagram content, and make it speak for itself with text-to-speech. Today, we're diving into how you can easily add a computer-generated voiceover to both your Instagram Reels and Stories, making your videos more accessible and way more engaging. Let's start with Reels first. Open up Instagram and tap the plus icon to create a new reel. Once you've captured or uploaded your video clips and are on the editing screen, you'll see a few options at the top. Tap on the icon to add text to your reel now. Type out whatever you want your video to say. You can customize the font, color, and even the alignment of your text just like you normally would. Once your text is laid out, look for a new set of icons that appear below your text box. You'll see an icon that looks like a speech bubble with sound waves. Tap on that. This is where the magic happens. A menu will pop up allowing you to choose from a selection of different voices. You can even adjust the speech speed, browse through them, and pick the one that best suits your video's vibe. Once you've selected your voice, simply tap Done or Confirm. You'll see a small speaker icon next to your text, letting you know the text-to-speech feature is activated. Now, when you play your reel, it will read your text aloud, perfectly synced with your video. The process for Instagram Stories is almost identical. Start by creating a new story. Add your photos or videos, then tap the icon to add text. Type out your message. After you've typed and styled your text, tap on the text itself. Just like with Reels, the option to add speech will appear. Choose the speech bubble icon. Again, you can select your preferred voice and adjust the speed here too. Pick your favorite and confirm. And there you have it. Your story will now play your text aloud. This feature is fantastic for adding clear explanations, playful commentary, or simply making your content accessible to everyone, including those who are deaf or hard of hearing. So go ahead, experiment with different voices and text combinations to create truly captivating content on Instagram. It's a simple yet powerful way to boost engagement and inclusivity on your profile. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.